Hey guys, Brad here, Skyline Construction. I'm going to do an unboxing today of this little Atomic Compact Series circular saw. It's 4.5 inch. I've never really seen one in person, but I'm pretty stoked to take a look at this. I got this from Atlas Machinery. I paid about 150 bucks for it online. That's Canadian. So in the box, got the saw. This is all the 20 volt max as well. So like I said, I've never seen this before. So that's how you lock down the guard. Pretty cool. It's got a metal base. Hopefully they give you a blade. Okay, so it looks like they did give us a blade. It's a 4.5 inch, 24 tooth. So this is supposed to be able to cut through 2x4. I think it said on the box here, cuts 2x4 and 396 lineal feet of 3/4 OSB. So I'm gonna take this on the site tomorrow and give it a try. It's also got a guide and a dust collector port. And you got your directions. And that's basically it. It's kind of heavy, but it'll probably balance out once you get a battery on there. Yeah, it looks kind of cool. We'll see. I'm not sure what I'm going to use it for, but I thought it looked cool and I just had to buy it, so I did. But yeah, so here the dust port clicks on here, like so. So yeah, tomorrow I'll give it a shot. I'll hook up to the vacuum, and this might be kind of handy for if you're up on a roof doing a renovation. You can just kind of hang off your belt. It's a lot lighter than the other skill saws. Yeah, we'll see how much power it puts out. All right guys, so I'm Brad with Skyline Construction. If you like this little unboxing, give us a like or subscribe, and we'll see you when we review this. Check you later.